The difference between the Lamborghini Murciélago Coupe versus Roadster is about 60 pounds. And today we're going to see how long it takes to remove the top off the Lamborghini Murciélago Roadster. So, I'm going to break this down into 2 steps. First, I'm going to actually install the roof myself with a little bit of supervision. Then I'm going to have an expert remove the roof to see how long it takes. So let's get started. First, to install the roof on a Lamborghini Murciélago, you have to open the engine bay. Then you open the front of the car and remove the roof. You expand it like an accordion, and then you position the 2 poles in the slots behind the seats. Once you do that, you expand it out, then you wedge it behind the windshield. The next step is a bit tricky. You have to take these 2 side pieces and position it to the sides of the roof. It takes a bit of stretching and finessing to get right. Next, all you have to do is just button it up and you are done. I think a lot of people like to exaggerate this process for comedic effect. Let's see how long it takes to remove the roof off of a Lamborghini Murciélago. It's the entire process in reverse. All we have to do is start to unbutton, then you pull the side pieces, you take off the roof, you collapse it, and then you put it back in the front. That's all what there is to it. It takes about 3 minutes to put on the roof and about 2 minutes to remove it. It's that simple. The Lamborghini Murciélago is an interesting car. The driving position is painful. The visibility non-existent. The soundtrack is deafening. That's just the overall experience of the Lamborghini Murciélago. So why should the roof process be any different? I feel that the roof process just adds to the overall drama, that stereotypical definition of what a supercar ought to be. And I actually love the roof process just the way it is because I think it fits with that overall definition of a supercar. That madness, that mental personality, and that's exactly what the Murciélago is all about. So that is how long it takes to remove the roof off of a Lamborghini Murciélago Roadster. Thanks for watching. Until next time.